go back into the office. He turned water into wine.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's gonna be a vlog. I'm at home working, so it's definitely gonna be a vlog. I did do a video on this, but it didn't come out how I wanted to. But I'm probably still gonna post it anyway. All right, y'all, here go this video. I thought I was doing something this morning. Started out good with the camera, but then sis started to get a little overboard. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out why I'm still putting camera in this glass. Like, girl, that is enough. Like, stop, pause. Like, pause. There you go. Now it's time to put the ice in. Then I don't know why I put the creamer in first, and I got a lot of creamer in there. Then we're gonna go ahead with this good old vanilla. Yes, ma'am, a lot of that. And then I put the coffee, think it was going to do, you know how you put the creamer on top? Nope, coffee just sat on top. Like, just sat there, like, what's up? Now I'm trying to stir it to make it look good, and it don't. Like, ice about to go overboard, all that. Still try to stir it. Still ain't looking right. Like, what was I thinking? Trying to do something new, and it still ain't working. But it's busting. That's all I gotta say.
Damn!
Busting. But today is just gonna be work. Come to work with me. Today my system is still down, y'all. It's been 3 weeks or more. Like, I'm trying to figure out why my system is still down. Waiting for a headset to come in. Still have not received that. So we got a lot going on, but we gotta go back into the office. And I'm not ready for that yet. Like, we have to go back into the office. Like, I have to go back into the office, socialize with people. Even though, like, I'm like introvert, social butterfly. We gotta go back into the office. And sorry for the glare on my glasses, but I can't see for real, y'all. I don't know about that, but it is gonna be like a little hybrid. So I'm like, okay, I can tussle with that. But I want to stay working from home because you see me buying it. Even though I got my it's time to do this head. I look like I'm getting bald, y'all. Oh Lord, I'm not gonna claim that. But yeah, we're gonna have to go back into the office, y'all. And I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, but I know my vlogs when I go to work, it's gonna be so much better because when y'all see where I work. So I can't wait for that content to come because I'm gonna be able to get out more instead of y'all seeing this box. But even though my system is down, I am still able to help out at work. So from 11 to 12, I'll be doing like some type of floor support. So I'll be helping anyone that has any type of questions, which I'm loving. With me being at my job, I want to say going on 6 months. Well, I think 6 months this month. I started in September. Yes, 6 months. 6 months this month. I gave myself a goal that I wanted to be on floor support by either March or April. And what is it, y'all? It is March. So I hit that threshold of my goals at work. Plus, today is March 17th, right? Which means it's 1 month until my birthday.
Yeah. She gon' shake her head 'cause it's a birthday. Blow the candle out, it's your birthday. Stand on them hoes.
April 17th will be here before you know it. And you wanna know what the crazy thing is? My birthday is Easter. So I'm gonna feel kind of weird tossed in the back, but he turned water into wine. Water into wine. That's probably why you can buy wine on Sundays and not actual hard liquor, you know, after a certain time frame. I think it's what, 12 o'clock? But that's probably why, because it turned water into wine. That's just my little gospel that I know of. I'm going to try this, what is it? It's a light fit Greek yogurt. It says it has 12 grams of protein. So I wanted to try this out because I'm trying to get back into the gym. Y'all, I've been supposed to go back into the gym, but this is what it is. It has only 80 calories, so I'm gonna eat this and drink my coffee. I know it's probably too much to be doing at once, but I need something on my stomach because lunch I'm making a little bit of tuna fish, putting on a little salad. But also today I'm going to be planning out next month because, like I said, next month is my birthday, so I'm going to be planning that out. So also in the comments, let me know what type of videos you are wanting to see on this channel. But I'm just trying to elevate this channel and make it what I see fit, what I see my goal is for this channel. And that's kind of why I left, because I didn't feel like it was me. I was just putting videos out there just because. So y'all about to see the real me. And if y'all not ready for that, this may not be the channel for you. I'm just being honest because I had so many people. I guess this is about to be a little chit chat with me before I start actually doing my work and helping out. But I got into a little depression state because I'm like, oh, nobody's watching my videos. Nobody's doing this, that. And I got so much love from people saying, no, girl, what is wrong with you? And it's just like, sometimes I really just wanted to give up. But at this point, no, ma'am. That's what I was going to do. So y'all about to really see me on this channel. Even though y'all were seeing me, I was holding back. But if y'all like to cackle or y'all just like hearing people being blunt, that's me. Okay? So y'all about to see a whole different channel. Okay? Y'all gonna be like, girl, where has this been? I'm gonna be like, it's been here all the time, but you know, I just couldn't give the girls everything at once. Okay? But let me stop all this talking. I'm probably gonna have y'all see me, watch me help people. Well, not actually see the screen and stuff of things of that nature. But I'm about to hop on, even though I'm here, but I'm about to hop on, start helping.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be forced. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Tell me you do. Oh yeah, I wanna be down. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day. My B-day, well, B-day. To just be way. B-day, your every desire. B-day will be fulfilled. My B-day, your wish. B-day, my command. B-day, I'm here to please you. B-day, my B-day. B-day, 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 B-day.
I am available to help. So I do just sit here and wait till, you know, someone needs assistance. But while I am doing that, I do look up information that I may need to, you know, update myself on to make sure that I'm giving them the right information. But I like doing this because I love helping people. So, hey, anything for me to be able to assist people, I'm Gucci with that. But I really don't have to talk on my headset, but sometimes I do if we're in a group and with the other people who are support, and we may, you know, ask each other questions, you know, to assist each other and to make sure we're giving the right answer as well, because we get graded on calls, and if we assist them, they put our names in there. So it may be something, hey, this person advising the wrong information. You know what, we ain't got time for that. But But yeah, this is me just assisting.
Rappers like me, so they can get on their keyboards and make me better. Put it in my bunch, the patch, 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 the patch.
Yeah, my connection, I sent my wrist back to leave bitches.
Email from work, but luckily it was a phishing email, so I was like, and I like how they deploy these out, because some people will just click on these and just see, you know, if it's something that will work, because you know that can get a whole hazard in your virus in your system. But with my job, if you do happen to click on it, they do give you training saying, hey, how to detect any type of phishing email. My thing is, if it doesn't have the logo for my job on there, I won't be putting it. Like, I'll be like, even if it may be someone from my job, I still click phishing just in case, because you just never know these days.
Alright, y'all, so I am on my 15-minute break, and I like to stand up on my 15 or do whatever. Alright, like, you gonna stay off? You gonna stay on? You know what? Let me just turn this one off. Y'all, look what I got. Carmex! Cause you remember how my lips was a little chapped on that video? Like, no ma'am. That was not cute. So, ooh. Got my cat, look. There you go. But nah, hey y'all, so this is my budget planner, and I actually really like it because one, it's rose gold, but it definitely helps you. So with this planner, they do give you like stickers and stuff, things of that nature. And then they have like, it's a how to create a successful budget, and there's different steps and goals. There's a total of 8, and then the bonus. So they have step 1, set your goals. Step 2, map out strategies and action plans. Step 3, monthly bill tracker. 4, savings and debt tracker. 5, monthly income. 6, daily expenses. 7, month in review, and then 8, year in review. And then they have a bonus for a Christmas tracker. So I actually like this. So it has where you can put a pen or a pencil, and then it does have 2 I want to say what is it called, bookmarks. There you go. So you do have 2 bookmarks. One is like a rose gold for mine, and the other one is silver. So they do have those bookmarks, but in the front of the book, it says like it is a budget planner. But then you get into basically your, I hope y'all can see it, my financial goals, and then it has budget notes. So you're able to put your budget noting on here. And I like that it is not, what is it? Like a rule book, like one of these, where it has the lines, it actually has a dot, so you can write as big as you want, small as you want. And then they basically have a financial strategy, basically actions to earn more money, actions to cut expenses, and then you can do your strategy notes. So I like that in this book. So it's definitely where you can literally plan your financial well-being. Also within it, I'm going to show you the side because I already got my bills in there. It has a bill tracker for each month. Y'all probably saw how much I mean, my bills is a little expensive. It's like, no, but they do have a bill tracker in here where you can track your bills. And then you do have a savings. I haven't put my information in yet, but you do have a savings tracker as well, so you can see how much money you're saving. And then it has where you can, your savings goal, the total that you need, and what deadline. And then I also like how it has the dates that you deposited, what's your balance. And it has like 4 different ones. So, you know, if you have 4 different goals, one goal for 1 month, another, you know, your goal. And then they have a debt tracker. So with the debt tracker, it also is any debt that you may have. So if you have any type of debt, put it in there. You put your starting balance, your minimum payment for it, and then you put the day that you made your payment, the payment amount, and then what is your balance after you pay that. So I like that. And then at the end of the month, you have a monthly income. So any type of income that you do, you put it in there, your savings, and then all the other bills that you did have. So it's basically giving you your monthly budget and what you actually paid, the difference for that. And then at the end, and then you have your daily expenses. So you literally will write down whatever you got on that day, how much, where it is, because it gives you the date, the description, the category, and the amount. So you can start seeing where your money's going. Because, honey, I was like, where's my money? Like, I just had this amount. Why do I have that? So I like that daily expenses because, honey, y'all want to see my daily expense? I know it's probably too much. But, y'all, this is from the 1st, March 1st through the 11th. Now, you see how this page is almost done. That doesn't make any sense. So for 11 days, I've already... No, man. But after the daily expenses, you have a month-end review. And then that month-end review is basically saying what was your total income, and that includes your last month balance, and then this one, then how much have you saved, your total expenses that you use, that's that daily expense, and then what is your balance moving forward to the next month. So if you save how I do mine either bi-weekly or monthly, so you will know how much you use. If you have a lot, you know where you can put more money in your savings. And then it asks you, did you meet your budget? Why or why not? Things to improve and my biggest wins. And then you have notes, and then you move on to the next month, and it goes basically back into the monthly income. So you're really tracking your money. And I love this, okay? Because I need to figure out where my money is going. So I like to do this each time I do get paid. Now, daily expenses, I don't do that every day, but like today's the 17th, I haven't done it since the 11th. But I'm going to go ahead and do it because I need to know how much money I've been spending already. But I think this is a good fit. So I'm going to put this in my description box. They had different colors, but pink is my favorite color. So rose gold was the closest thing. Okay. So this book is amazing and it's helping me out. I haven't been spending a lot, which is great. But yeah, I think my 15 minutes is up. I haven't really been spending much at all. So I am about to start working in this. So before my break is up. All right, y'all. So I am going to end the vlog here on my lunch. I'm supposed to do a lot more on my lunch, but I started talking to my best friend. Haven't talked to her in a while. So I did go ahead and make me some tuna fish. And like I said, I was going to do a salad. So I did put it on a bed of iceberg lettuce, the packaging from Walmart. I do have a little bit of Italian dressing. I may put it on there, may not, depending on how I'm feeling. And y'all, if y'all haven't tried it already and y'all got a Publix in y'all, this is a mango lemonade. It is so good. But this is what I am having. Like I said, this was supposed to be a longer work with me chit chat vlog, but y'all get the picture. We are going to be elevating y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all go ahead and like this video. Go and watch the other vlog that I posted on Tuesday too. So I'm gonna probably put it over here somewhere so y'all can see the thumbnail. But I am enjoying doing this vlog. I'm so glad to be back on YouTube. But like I always say, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
Work.